In this tutorial, we will discuss templates, theme containers, page containers, and item containers. Let's first start off in the back of an UltraCart storefront. Underneath Appearance and then Templates, all the templates are organized. In the Pages folder, you'll find common templates such as the home page, the group page, and the item page. We're going to take a look at template_page, which is a template suitable for pages that contain arbitrary content, such as a marketing landing page. So let's start off and create two pages to demonstrate how templates work. We'll start off creating page 1, and we'll select from the templates template_page.vm. Now we'll create page 2, and we'll also select template_page VM. Both of these storefront pages utilize the same template. Let's go ahead and open the preview for this page. You can see that the page has the header, an empty body, and the footer. Let's go ahead and go into edit mode and take a look at the hierarchy. This page contains a number of theme containers: header, breadcrumbs, content page, and main footer. A theme container is stored on disk as a CJSON file and compiled into a .vm file. If we go back and take a look at the particular page, we can see that those containers that we just talked about are actually pulled in with these parse statements. They're stored on disk as a CJSON file and then compiled into a VM file. Let's go ahead and talk about the content within a theme container. So right here we're inside of the content_page theme container, and we have a section, row, and a couple of columns. We'll go ahead and add an additional row. And then let's go ahead and add a headline. Hello world from a theme container. We'll save that out, and here's the content on page 1. Now let's go back over and open up page 2, which also shares the same template. We can see there, hello world from theme container also shows. Now we'll go back to page 1, go into edit mode, and let's take a look at the page container. Here we have a page container element. Any content added within the page container will be saved to a separate CJSON file associated with that page. Let's go ahead and add some content within the page container. We'll start with the typical section, row, and then a headline. Let's edit the content. Hello world from page 1 page container. We'll go ahead and save and exit the edit mode. We can see there's page 1. Here we are back on page 2. Let's refresh, and you can see that that page container content is not there. We'll go into edit mode and populate the page container. Alright, we'll go ahead and save that. Here we have page 2. Its page container says Hello World from page 2 page container. And we can see page 1 has its content. The contents of page containers are stored on the file system in folders for each page. There's the page container name and the CJSON file describing that content, and we can see there's the string of text we put in that particular headline. Now let's go take a look at item containers. We'll go back to the home page and we're going to navigate to a particular item. We'll start off with the green sweatshirt, and then we'll go into edit mode. If we wanted to place a container on the page where we could add additional content specific to that item, we would simply add in an item container. We have to give it a name, so I'll put additional content. I like to use all lowercase and underscores to separate words. And I already had some content from a previous tutorial, so we'll go ahead and delete that. And here we are adding in additional content within this page container. Section, row, and we'll do the headline. And we'll change this Hello World from item container green sweatshirt, and we'll save. This content is specific to the green sweatshirt item, so when we exit we can see the content here. If we navigate over to an additional item using the exact same template, the item container will not render because it's a different item. It has its own content for that item container. So that demonstrates the 3 different types of containers there are within the StoreFront system: theme, page, and item containers.